All right, traders, today is October 21st, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. Hey, let's go take a look at some charts today. Okay, let's take a look at SPY. We got a 10-minute uptrend going into the close with an igniting candle right there, coming right back to the pivot. All right, so that's 10-minute uptrend, 2 hour. We have a 2 hour. Well, let's just see where we're at. The 3 is 583.55. So the 3 is over the 8, 583.50. We have a 2 hour uptrend, just barely. Okay, coming into the close. On the daily chart. Daily chart, we put in a lower high, lower low, closed over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Take a look at that on this one right here. Okay, over the 17. That's the green dots right here. Okay, we're up over the anchored VWAP. We're still bullish, making higher highs, higher lows. Over prior high anchored VWAP, this is still bullish. So there's SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. All right, QQQ putting in higher high, and lower low. So an outside day, closing over the trap, over the 17, and over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Still bullish there. FNGU. FNGU, same as QQQ. Outside day, higher high, lower low, closing over the trap, over the 17, over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Still bullish there. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow put in that's a lower high and a lower low, closing inside a bullish trap over the 17, over a prior high anchored VWAP. Still bullish there. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM putting in lower high, lower low, closing under the bullish trap, almost a bearish cross, and over the 17 EMA. IWM still bullish, making higher highs, higher lows, over the pink 3-year anchored VWAP high right there. So still bullish there. Let's take a look at our technicals and start off T2122. We found ourselves in the seller's chop zone all day today. Went right through the buyer's chop zone. Didn't even stop at the midpoint. T2123. Let's take a look at that. T2123 put in. Yeah, that's today. Another new all-time high. All right, for T2123. New all-time high for T2123. All right, kind of like gapped up, filled gap, and then just kind of melted all day. Still up over this rising 200 SMA. Let's take a look at the 3-bar chart. Same deal. All right. Got the 3 more green candle bars. All right. Price action. Still a lot of space between that rising 17 and the price action. You can see the 200 SMA rising up through prior all-time highs. Back to the 15. You can see 200 SMA rising up here, providing a little bit of lift to the market there, hopefully. Price action, still a lot of space in between the rising 200 and the price action on T2123. FNGU. All right, so FNGU gaps, kind of a whippy day for FNGU. Looks like down, up, very choppy. All right, so at the end of the day, got a 10-minute uptrend. I can see that happening right through there. Up over VWAP, up over rising 200 SMA. Nice recovery for FNGU. All right, watch this week. All right, we could get a breakout. We'll see what happens. Let's go back over here. Let's take a look at, what do we want to look at? Let's take a look at oil and gas. All right, so here's USO. Crude oil still in a downtrend. Price action making a lower low. Price action for today, higher high, higher low, closing inside the bullish trap under the 17 EMA. Still bearish, still in a downtrend. UNG. All right, UNG putting in higher high, higher low, closing inside under bearish trap and underneath the falling 17 EMA. Dangerously close to converting this uptrend into a downtrend if they take out this low. All right, so there's UNG in an uptrend. I don't think it knows that it's in an uptrend. Either that or just realized it, it's trying to fight it off now. So there's UNG. Silver and gold. Silver, new 12-year high for silver right here. For silver, new 12-year high, higher low. Gold, new all-time high for gold too. Right here, higher high, higher low. Let's take a look at SMH. All right, SMH trying to wake up. All right, over the pink all-time high anchored VWAP. And price action got a lower high, lower low closing over bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Still bullish there. XLK. XLK up over all-time high anchored VWAP, making higher highs, higher lows, closing up over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. Still bullish there. Still in an uptrend. Let's take a look at XLI. XLI putting in, what kind of high do we got? I gotta think that's, yeah, no cigar there. All right, so as compared to yesterday, high is 139.33, 139.45. So we got a lower low and a higher high, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17, up over a prior all-time high anchored VWAP. Still bullish there. That's a move up and over to the right, holding the higher ground. That's bullish XLI. Let's take a look at XLF. XLF is lower high, lower low, closing in the bullish trap over the rising 17, up over a prior all-time high anchored VWAP. Price action moving up. Price action looking good there. Still making higher highs and higher lows. Still bullish there. Still in a daily uptrend. SMH in it, bullish and then still in a daily uptrend. XLK. Technology still bullish and in a daily uptrend. XLI still bullish and in a daily uptrend. Let's take a look at XLU. All right, XLU still bullish and in a daily uptrend on XLU, XLI, XLF financials. Let's take a look at XRT. All right, XRT lower high, lower low, closing under the bullish trap but over the 17 EMA. Still in that uptrend unless they take it out and put it in a lower low. They'll stay in this uptrend till they take out that low. All right, so there's XRT up over all-time high anchored VWAP right there, okay, in a big bullish flag that's going on for about 9 months, 10 months now, okay. XRT got the higher low, looking for the breakout on that consolidation there. Okay, let's take a look at IYT, transports. Still making higher highs and higher lows up over the blue line right here. This is all-time high anchored VWAP. And you can see right there a prior all-time high anchored VWAP. This is the all-time high right there, this candle that sticks up into the sky. Price action, lower high, lower low, closing under a bullish trap but over the 17. Still bullish here. So most all the sectors there, technology, semiconductors, financials, transports, all still in financials. Yeah, still all in bullish uptrends on the daily charts. All of the Fab 5 still in daily uptrends. Everything's still looking good. Everything's still looking good. All right, for price action today, what did we get? SPY. We tried to get something going on SPY, but let me just say they really didn't want to cooperate today. Okay, not much going on. Okay, so we had from the get-go, little 10-minute uptrend right through here for the gap fill. All right, after the gap fill, they sold off right down here to support, 581.15. And then from there, they bounced off of that, held the higher ground there, moved up, held the higher ground there, and then broke out back up, all the way back up to the pivot back there. So that was bullish from here, but didn't get any bullishness over the pivot. We got bullishness under the pivot. We got a very brief bullishness into the gap fill right there. That's it. That's all I got to play. I played that and this right here, which wound up being pretty good because I bought these for 96 and I sold them for, well, most of them for like 103, 102 as an average. So not too bad, but not really where I want to be. Thought I had AMC. AMC didn't work out for me. All right, so any questions in the room? Thanks, Greg. Yeah, public e-learning, all right? We're going to do entry placement, all right? We're going to do entry placement tonight at 8 o'clock. Hope you all be there. Hey, and if you can't make it, I'm going to record it. So you're covered in case you want to watch Monday Night Football. I get it, all right? But it'll be recorded so you can watch it later. All right, NVIDIA good? Let me see if NVIDIA is good. Yeah, NVIDIA's looking real good. NVIDIA's looking super fantastic. Yeah, I like NVIDIA. That's looking real good. Thanks, Robert. Bobby made some money on HIMS, HIMS. 10-minute chart. You can see here's his 10-minute chart on HIMS. Got the igniting candle, 10-minute uptrend right through there. Nice. Up over a regular VWAP. Really nice trade on that, Bobby. Way to go. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you guys either tonight at 8 or I'll see you tomorrow at 8 or I'll see you tomorrow afternoon. Either way, we'll see you then. I wish everybody a wonderful evening. Until then, I will see you later.